Hello students, in today's video we are going to see the commands such as hole, round, chamfer and pattern. For this, as usual, we are going to open new file, click on new, select part module, then give a file name. I am going to give name such as hole, then select the template. I think all of you know that we are selecting the MMNS part solid template millimeter Newton second part solid. Okay, click here on OK, then you will get a workspace like this. Now we are going to sketch. Select the front plane and sketch. Okay, then click here on sketch view. Okay, now we are going to draw a rectangle. For the example, rectangle is like this. The dimension, in this rectangle, the rectangle is not symmetric. We are going to make it symmetric. The dimension of the rectangle are 300 by 400 mm, something like this. Okay, now in this way our rectangle is a symmetric. That means the area of all four quarters is same. Okay, now I am going to extrude it. Select area, then give a depth. The depth is somewhat like as 20 mm. Okay, click here on OK button. Then the rectangular plate is looking like this. In this our today's session, as per the introduction, we are going to see the round, chamfer, pattern and hole command. So first of all we are start with the round command. As you see, the corners of this rectangular plate are sharp corners. We are going to make them rounded. For this, I will click here on round. Round has two types, round and auto round. I will select first one is round. Click on the corner that you want to make round like this. Okay. In this way, this is look like an fillet structure which has a radius of 6 mm. I am going to change it something like this. Okay, 10 mm. Okay, then this rectangular plate is look like this. Okay, suppose I want to change the all sharp corners into round, then I will click here on auto round, then select any one edge and click here on OK. Now my all corners are make rounded like this. Okay, now we are going to learn the chamfer command. For this I will first delete this. Then also I am going to delete the round command. Okay, now my rectangular is looking like this. I am going to make it chamfer. Chamfer has two types, edge chamfer and corner chamfer. We will see the first, that is edge chamfer. Select any corner or any edge that we want to make chamfer. After selection, this is looking like this. In this way, we make a chamfer. We also change the dimension here, like 5 by 5. Okay. Now the another one type is edge chamfer. In this chamfer we simply chamfer a single edge, but here if we want to make a whole corner a chamfer like structure, then I will go to chamfer, corner chamfer, and I will just select the corner that I want to make. Okay, like this. Now I am going to change all dimensions, 5 by 5 by 5. In this way my corner is get chamfer. Okay, so students, our next command that we are going to learn is hole command. That means how to create a hole. First of all I will delete the our previous commands and make a rectangular plate. Okay, in this front view, the rectangular plate is looking like this. If I want to make a hole at this portion, in this quarter, then I will go to sketch, select top plane, sketch, then go to circle and select a circle. Now I will extrude it. Circle. Now I have extruded it in the forward direction. But when I extruded it in reverse direction, then it will be get removed or it will be look like an hole. For this, I will select the extrude this command, that is change depth direction like this. Then I will give depth, that is 25, and remove material. Don't forget to click on remove material. Whenever I click on remove material, the material get removed and my hole is look like this. This way I have created the hole. But students, if I want to create the same holes on all 4 quarters, then what will I do? It is very fatigue task to create a hole with the extrude command in all 4 quarters. For this, I will simply go to pattern command, select the geometry pattern, okay, then click on the hole that we want to make pattern. For this, first of all, I will click here on extrude. That means I am selecting the circle, then geometry pattern. In this select pattern time, I am going to select a axis type. Axis, then select the axis. Here I am going to select the Z axis like this. Okay. After selection of Z axis, I am going to do number of 4 numbers and click here on OK. Now my holes are looking like this. But I have made one mistake, that I have not selected the axis properly. To change it, I am going to delete. I am going to extrude it once again. For this, I am going to select this circle. Okay, then go to geometry pattern, select axis. In the pattern command, I have make a hole. Now I am going to make similar holes on 4 quarters. For this, I will go to extrude. I will simply click on extrude. Then the portion got selected. Then I will go to pattern, geometry pattern. Then here we are going to select axis pattern type and simply select the axis. We are going to select the Z axis. Okay. Click on number of members you want. I want 4 members and angle between members is 90 degrees. Okay, then click here on OK. In this way, I have created the 4 holes by using the pattern command. So students, we use the pattern command for creating the similar pattern in the all entity. In this way, we have studied today round, chamfer, pattern and hole extrude command. For more videos, subscribe our channel.